Hi, so we're looking at logic based sums input output. So input is given and you have to find out the logic behind how the numbers move. Let's look at from first input to step 1. What is changing? If you look at all the numbers in order 75, 56, 27, 48, 31, all the numbers are in order except a couple of numbers, which is 14 is not in the series and 27 is not in the series. If you look at all these numbers are in series except 14 and 27. You will realize that 27 has gone first, reversed and become 72. 14 has gone last, has become plus 115. Now, what is 14 and 27? The smallest even number, the smallest odd number. Same way when you go from step 1 to step 2, 31 has been arranged and 28 has been arranged. The next smallest even number and odd number. So 28 goes in the end, becomes 29 plus 1. 31 goes first, becomes reverse 13. And so on is followed, where the odd numbers go in the start, gets reversed and is arranged. Even numbers go in the end, plus 1 and is arranged. So on and so forth. So based on that, we have to arrange it. So let's try to solve it. So one way of solving is to write all the steps and then look at the solutions. For example, if you look at what is smallest odd number out here, so go from smallest to largest. So if you look at smallest odd number is 19, so automatically 91 will come first and 12 will go in the end, will become 13. Next, what will happen is the next smallest odd number which is there, which is 29. 29 will come first, 92 and 91, and next even number which is there, which is 22, will become 23. So it becomes 23, 13. Next smallest odd number, if you look at it, is 45. So 45 will become 54. Next smallest odd number is 53 will become 35. And after that 93 will become 39. So 39, 35, 54, 92, 91 is part of the last step. Same with even numbers. What's the next largest even number? 32 will become 33. Okay, next even number is 74 will become 75, and next last will be 87. So 87 will go last, 87, and 75, 33, 23, and 30. This is how the numbers are arranged, the last step. Okay, which of the following is the fifth step of the output? So you compare 39, 35, 54, 92. It's there in E option. So E is the answer. So those numbers are arranged in the E option, the way it's arranged in E option. Which of the following elements is exactly between 91 and 32 in step 2? Now 91 is here. Remember 32 is still not arranged in the second step. So second step only 92, 91, 13, 23 arranged. Remaining will be as it is, which is 86 will be as it is, 53 will be as it is, 45 will be as it is, and then there will be 32. So exactly between these two will be 53. So C option. What is the fourth element from the right in step 4? Step 4, fourth element from the right will be 13, because first will be 75, 33, 23, and then 13, A option. Which is the following step? Starting from 54 is 33rd step. So 54, 92, 91 in the first three, 30, 23, 13 last three, and rest will be as it is arranged in the main, that is 86, 53, 74, and 93. So yes, step 3. Which of the following is last step? 10 elements. Every element, every step 2 elements are arranged. So last step will be 5th step. So that's how you get the answer. You can do it by numbering also. I mean, the way I go about it is one way is number the even numbers. 12, 22, 32, 74, and 86. This will be all be in the right. So first right, second right, third right, fourth right, fifth right. On the left will be odd numbers. That is first, second, third will be 45, fourth, and fifth. Which of the following is the fifth step for input? Now, fifth step. Now, one is if you look at the last element everywhere, 3 elements is 87. 2 is 23. So what will be last element? The fifth 86 will become 87. So we know 87 is the last element. So these two are ruled out. Next 75 is all the three options of 75. Next 92. No, it will not be 92. It cannot be 92. This will be wrong. Because if you look at the right hand side elements, 87, 75, then the third right element will be, if you look at 32, will become 33. So 33 means it's E option. So that will be the answer. So 33, 75, 87. Which of the following elements lies exactly between 91 and 32 in step 2? Now 91 will be the first left element. In step 2, first two elements are arranged. Okay. That means what will be there after that? 86 will be there. 53 will be there. Right. 22 is already arranged. So next will be 45 and after 32. Because 12, 22 and 19 are already arranged. First right, second right and first left. So between 32 and 91 is 53. C option is the answer. What's the fourth element from the right in step 4? If you get fourth element from the right, fourth right, third right, second right and first right are the elements in the fourth step. The fourth from the right is the first right element. First right element is 13. 12 plus 1, 13. A option. Which is the following step? If you look at 54 is basically comes from 45, third left. So 45 becomes 54, 90 to 91. So third step basically. But let's look at other numbers that are arranged as per order. 86, 53, 74 and 93 are arranged as per order. The remaining elements. Three elements are arranged on left and right. Remaining are arranged properly. So this will be third step. And which of the following is the last step? 10 elements. Every step 2 elements are arranged. So you can make out there will be 5 steps. Right? So that's how we solve input output. Be comfortable with input output. If it comes and if it's easy, you will get 5 marks easily. Right? I hope it's clear. I explained in 2 ways of solving it. One is writing all the steps and then trying to get the answer. Second is maybe trying to directly get the answer by looking at a series of numbers. Thank you.